Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Achieving Alpha and welcome back to another episode of Smart Money Analysis. And some of the requests that I have been getting from the past 2 or 3 videos is that we should also try to cover Hindi language because a lot of the viewers are not very comfortable with English. So we'll try to do one thing for the next couple of videos. We'll try to make it a mix of both English and Hindi so that जो भी हम बात कर रहे हैं that reaches to a broader audience and more people are basically able to make most out of this. तो काफ़ी लोगों को फ़ायदा हो फॉर दैट विल ट्राई टू कवर इट बोथ हिंदी as well as English. So with that being said, let's start our analysis for today. तो हम charts और data देखेंगे and we'll try to decipher what can happen on Monday. So we saw a really good bloodbath in the markets on Friday. काफ़ी ऊपर तक it consolidated for a while and after that उसने जो नीचे का level है उस range का it broke that and basically we saw some really good selling after that particular level was breached. So what happened after that was that market gave a closing just near the day's low and the data formation and price action is not at all looking good. तो वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट कि मार्केट 17,000 के लेवल्स दिखाएगा ऑन मंडे दैट इज समथिंग विच वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम द मार्केट एंड व्हाई एम आई सेइंग दैट आई विल ट्राई टू जस्टिफाई दैट विद डेटा एंड चार्ट्स बट फॉर नाउ इट्स नॉट लुकिंग अ वेरी गुड सिनेरियो एंड वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट अ रियली गुड ब्लड बाथ ऑन मंडे इन द मार्केट्स तो फिर चालू करते हैं लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट द चार्ट्स फर्स्ट So we'll start off with the daily time frame chart for Nifty and Bank Nifty. तो हम सबसे पहले Nifty का chart अगर daily time frame पे देखेंगे so we will see a really good reddish candle from the top. So we opened somewhere around 17,420. थोड़ा सा फिर high बनाया हमने almost 17,500 we touched. That was the 20 EMA and after that market showed a really good fall and you can see कि जो closing है that is very close to the day's low. So this is not at all a positive price action. So this clearly demonstrates negativity. Even if अगर मैं आपको इंट्राडे का चार्ट दिखाऊं so you can see that we opened up quite good. We made a high of around 17,490 and उसके बाद से you can see there is a clear downtrend. So this is not a very healthy sign. Like ये consolidation के बाद basically when this low was broken, you can see that it was a waterfall kind of a fall, and it was certainly not good. And what happened was कि Bank Nifty was trying to show some strength here. You can see it was basically trying to go up, but it also wasn't able to sustain. And you can see कि ये भी उसके बाद give up कर गया and it gave a really good fall as well. And even here the closing is slightly above from the day low, but still Bank Nifty is still too much weak. And ये जो bounce आया last 2 दिन में, this was kind of expected because RSI levels पे if you have a look, so Bank Nifty was heavily oversold I would say. तो उसका जो RSI है that was even below 27 or something like that. So ये bounce was expected and this was basically to trap the players. और FI and smart money को भी पता है कि most of the retail try to play their luck on the expiry. So इतना bearish market देख के a lot of the retailers must have bought puts. और in fact they did buy puts. I had a look at the data and that's where you can see कि यहाँ पे सबको they hit everyone's stop loss and basically all of the retailers had to suffer. And when retail became bullish here, they basically dumped everything and brought the market lower. और if you are following this channel for let's say last 1 or 2 months, so जो भी analysis video मेरा है, so last 1 or 2 months से मेरा वही view है कि you should try to sell on rise rather than buy on dips. क्योंकि मार्केट एक काफ़ी ज़्यादा यूफोरिक रैली दे चुका है एंड यू कैन सी कि एज सून एज वी वेंट टू 18,600 वहाँ से यू कैन सी कि कंजिक्यूटिवली फॉल कर रहा है बाउंसेस भी दे आर नॉट दैट स्ट्रॉन्ग तो काफ़ी माइन्यूट तरीके के बाउंसेस यहाँ पे आते हैं एंड उसके बाद द मार्केट अगेन हैज़ witnessed a really good sell off. So this is one thing. So charts certainly things are negative. RSI अभी भी 40 है तो you cannot say it is oversold yet. Downside के लिए room खुला हुआ है and I am expecting at least 17,000 on Monday. आएगा नहीं that the time will tell, but we'll have a look at the data and if at all market opens flat or mild gap up, then I will really buy puts in heavy quantities and try to make the most out of this. Why am I saying that? वो भी data में clear हो जाएगा. So let's have a look at Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty का अगर आप daily time frame पे chart देखोगे, so this is the RSI that I was talking about. Clearly oversold. थोड़ा बहुत bounce बनता था. Now it's RSI is trading at around 34. But again यहाँ से you can see कि जो price action है that is sort of negative. And this was a sort of a resistance zone and that's what you see कि यहाँ से ही exactly pinpoint fall हुआ Bank Nifty. And this is not a very healthy sign for Bank Nifty. So again Bank Nifty is looking quite weak. जो भी रैली है या जो भी रैली का जो फंडामेंटल बेस है दैट इज ओनली एंड ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ निफ्टी आईटी. सो आईटी स्टॉक्स ही हैं जो बेसिकली निफ्टी को 7500 से जो 18600 का हाई मारा है उसमें मेजोरिटी ऑफ द कंट्रीब्यूशन इज बिकॉज ऑफ आईटी एंड यू कैन हैव अ लुक एट दैट योरसेल्फ. एंड एज ऑफ मोस्ट ऑफ यू माइट बी नोइंग कि जो आईटी है दैट इज अ मेजर पार्ट ऑफ द निफ्टी 50 इंडेक्स. सो आईटी एंड बैंक्स इज व्हाट इज द मेजोरिटी चंक ऑफ बेसिकली निफ्टी 50. तो अगर एक भी काफी ज्यादा हेवीली आउट परफॉर्म करेगा सो वी आर बाउंड टू सी दिस काइंड ऑफ रैली. तो अभी we'll have a look at the option chain and try to understand कि यहाँ पे क्या एक्टिविटी हुई है. So very first observation you will see कि put writers सारे निकले हैं. You can see some really good unwinding. In fact 17,000 तक पे 4 लाख contracts unwind हुए हैं puts के. This is not at all a very healthy sign. And in fact you can see कि even 16 पे there is a decent amount of unwinding. Now ये unwinding क्यों है? This is quite dangerous because अभी भी इसमें 4 रुपए का प्रीमियम बचा है. And big players mostly what they do is they let this expire to zero. So if they are seeing any sort of a downside risk, that could be the reason कि यहाँ से they have unwound. Second reason could be कि basically they are shifting their positions from 16,100 to above levels. But still this has like a 4.5 rupees kind of a premium. But there is some downside risk that maybe the big players are seeing, because if this put unwinding is done by some of the big fishes, then it's quite evident that they are not very confident and the upside is limited but the downside is open. That is one of the things. Secondly, what we can see here is कि call writing काफी अच्छे level पे हुई है. So you can see heavy call writing, and the same we'll see in PCR. So PCR में you will see that the PCR is at 0.58, which is kind of going towards the oversold territory, but still there is room for downside. Talking about the highest open interest on call side, so 17,500 पे you can see that there is almost 55 lakhs of cumulative call OI open interest, which is quite heavy. Or highest is still on 18,000 though, but I think that 17,500 will now act as a really good resistance, at least for this particular expiry, जो 9th of December वाली है. Talking about the put side, so you can see कि ज़्यादा confidence नहीं है. 17,000 पे you can see almost 27 lakhs of cumulative put open interest, which is to be honest, it's quite decent. But यहाँ पे you can see कि there is still fear. So एक बार 17,000 पे the market might take some pullback, but at least 17,000 it should try to test on Monday. अब वो गैप डाउन से हो जाता है तो यू वोंट हैव एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू सेल. बट एज आई सेड कि अगर फ्लैट टू माइल्ड गैप अप निफ्टी खुलता है, इट्स अ गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू सेल एंड यू कैन बेसिकली मेक अ रियली गुड मनी ऑन मंडे. So if at all you're liking all of this effort from my side, so please I would appreciate if you could drop a like, and also if you have any suggestions, feel free to drop a comment and we'll try to accommodate that particular suggestion as well. Why we are doing it in a bilingual style is that a lot of people are able to make the most out of this, क्योंकि a lot of people don't understand English completely, and that's totally okay, like it's a personal preference. But if we try to do this as a mixture of both English and Hindi, so I think it can be beneficial to a lot of people, and that's the whole aim of doing this particular analysis. So एक बार let's have a quick look at the global markets as well. Global markets again, you saw कि we saw really good bloodbath on Friday. So US indices basically थोड़ी recovery हुई है bottom से. You can see कि Nasdaq recovered from 15,553 to basically 15,700 के आसपास it has given a closing. But again there was a lot of weakness. And by the way, I picked up some of the good blue chip US companies in this particular dip. So if you want a video on that, कि कौन सी companies I bought and which stocks did I buy in the US market, so you can certainly let me know in the comments and I will try to make a video on that. Second चीज ये है कि dollar index has again been rising quite consistently. So the day it gave a 95 वाला breakout, I made a video and told you all about that. And that is one of the reasons कि you are witnessing a really good sell-off from the FIs in the cash market. So if you have a look at the activity in the cash market, so you must be observing कि daily FIAs are selling almost in a 4 digits, and this is not a very healthy sign. और ये मैंने पहले ही कहा था कि ये जो macroeconomic factors है, these do come into the picture sooner or later. So 95 के above का dollar index is certainly not good for the emerging markets. And अगर हम निफ्टी को साइड पर रख भी दें एक सेकंड के लिए, so you will see कि all of the emerging markets are falling. So you will see Hang Seng, which is the Hong Kong market. You will see South Korea का market, which is KOSPI. So all of the emerging markets, FIIs are basically trying to withdraw the money. दूसरी बात यह है कि टेपरिंग इज ऑल्सो ऑन द लाइन. सो टेपरिंग की वजह से भी हो सकता है कि द टेपरिंग हैज बीन स्टार्टेड एंड द यूएस फेड इज बेसिकली ट्राइंग टू इंक्रीज द इंटरेस्ट रेट मच प्रायर टू व्हाट दे हैड एंटिसिपेटेड. तो दैट इज वन ऑफ द रीजन. सो ओवरऑल नेगेटिव माहौल बना हुआ है. यू कैन सी कि द S&P 500 वीक्स इज ऑल्सो अप ऑलमोस्ट 10%. तो देर इज फियर इन द मार्केट्स. और अभी S&P 500 वीक्स इज अराउंड 28, whereas if I show you over weeks, it's still around 18. तो अभी भी a lot of fear is there in the markets. And I clearly think कि you should not play very aggressively, and जो भी trade you take, you should try to hedge it. And not only on the downside, on the upside as well. Because expiry में a lot of you might not have expected कि 17,400 touch करेगा निफ्टी. But as I said कि the big fishes will try to trap the retailers. So that's something which happens quite often. This was for the global markets. Again, Europe is quite weak, as you can see. The DAX, FTSE and CSE all are closing in red. And overall, you can see कि negativity है all around the world. And a huge reason for that is the Omicron variant. So India में आज शायद तीसरा केस भी रिपोर्ट हुआ है somewhere in Gujarat. So things are looking dangerous, but please be very very much vigilant with your positions and always try to hedge your trades, because such volatility in markets can literally wipe off accounts, and it has done for a lot of the great people जो basically naked option selling करते हैं. So be very careful about that. So with that being said, let's go and have a look at the derivatives data. Okay, let's also have a look at the cash data first. तो कैश में यू कैन सी कि अभी जस्ट मंथ की स्टार्टिंग हुई है एंड दे हैव ऑलरेडी सोल्ड फॉर मोर देन 7,000 crores. It's a good thing that DIIs are here to support and they are buying. But again, if they start to continue this sort of an aggressive selling, the FIIs, then और नीचे के levels हमें देखने को मिल सकते हैं. So if 17,000 is breached and we trade below it for a day or two, 16,700 would be the next target, जो I expect काफी जल्दी आएगा. That is one of the things. And अगर 16,700 भी नहीं करता है होल्ड फॉर सम रीजन, 16,300 इज द नेक्स्ट टारगेट. एंड अगर वो भी टूट जाता है, सो वी हैव द 200 EMS समवेयर अराउंड 16,000 to 16,100. दैट शुड बी द फाइनल टारगेट. उससे ज्यादा डाउन साइड फॉर नाउ इट्स नॉट रियली विजिबल, बट अगर ऐसा कुछ सिनेरियो बनेगा या डेटा बिल्डअप ऐसे कुछ बनेंगे, आई विल डेफिनेटली शेयर इट विथ यू. सो दिस इज वन ऑफ द थिंग्स. कैश में यू कैन सी अगेन ऑलमोस्ट 3300 crores की सेलिंग हुई है ऑन 3rd of December. And from DIIs the buying has almost been 1650 crores, so almost half. And you can see कि clearly जो pressure था वो बनना चाहिए था इस डेटा के हिसाब से, and that's what we saw in the markets. तो ये cash market का data is certainly negative, and FIIs basically have been selling for the last consecutive days. In fact पूरा month उन्होंने नवंबर में mostly selling ही की है, so this is very concerning, at least for now. So let's have a look at the derivatives data and try to understand कि what activity is going on there. So we'll start off with the FIIs as usual. तो FII का net long position in index futures is down by almost 5.9%. You will see अच्छे खासे longs यहाँ पे unwind हुए हैं, and the shorts have also been added. So this is again looking negative. The only good part which I am observing for the last 10 to 12 trading sessions is that they are building up good number of longs in stock futures. So what's happening here is that maybe some stock specific action is what is happening here. So हो सकता है they are building longs in some specific stocks. That is the only reason why we are seeing this green. Otherwise यहाँ पे you can see कि अच्छा खासा negative build up चल रहा है. And the upside in the last 2 to 3 days was sort of justified. If you have a look at this, consecutively long position बढ़ाई जा रही थी index futures में, but they sort of booked their profit, but still they are at 67.52, which is not that bad. But what is concerning from Friday is the number in the index options. So let me show you that as well. So the number of call longs and the call shots added, so you can see कि net on net basis में the number of call shots added are significantly higher, and in fact the number of puts bought are also comparatively quite high, and put shorts are almost you can see negligible. So net on net basis पे if you have a look, तो almost 38,000 call shorts वहाँ पे किए हैं FII ने on Friday, and almost 38,000 puts are bought from the FIs on an index options basis. So for those of you who are following me from quite some time, you will know कि अच्छा खासा short build up है, and that's the reason I'm telling you कि if you have a flat opening to a mild gap up, you can comfortably short the market for some easy 100 points. You can get more, but 100 points the minimum वो देके जाएगा from the opening price, provided we open flat or mild gap up. If you open up gap down and then you are shorting the market, then don't tell me कि loss हो गया. So we'll have a look at the net put to net call ratio. This is almost at 2.78. That means the number of puts bought on a cumulative basis from the FIs are almost 2.78 times compared to the number of calls bought. And you can see that this is quite a heavy number. So this went up to 1.72, but again you can see 2.78 is quite a heavy number. So again, index options में the activity is negative. Index futures में the activity is certainly negative. Stock futures में थोड़ी positivity है. There is some short covering and some long unwinding, but short covering ज़्यादा है. So this might be some stock specific action. But Monday के लिए the data is certainly negative. और एक डिप के बाद आई थिंक 17,000 शुड होल्ड, बट अगर ग्लोबल मार्केट्स में नेगेटिविटी बढ़ी एंड इफ दे कंटिन्यू टू बिल्ड द शॉर्ट पोजीशंस लाइक दिस, देन यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट कि 17,000 भी ब्रीच हो सकता है. सो दिस इज व्हाट वी एक्सपेक्ट फॉर मंडे. Clearly a bearish sentiment, and certainly if you get the opportunity to buy some puts, you can. दूसरा चीज, let's have a look at the stock specific action as well. So this is the sheet for the stocks. Again, you can see the top 20 stocks in Nifty 50 के almost 70% have observed short build up, which is not a very healthy sign. Long build up सिर्फ 10% stocks में हो रहा है, and long unwinding you can see there is in the 20% of stocks. So again, this is a lot of negative build up. So negativity है even stock specific. And Bank Nifty में you will see कि जो top 5 stocks है, which is almost 90% of Bank Nifty, all of them have observed some really good short build up. So again, negativity यहाँ पर भी है. So stock specific भी you can see कि there is not a lot of action going on. So overall, there is a lot of negativity in the markets. So Monday के लिए the plan should be to sell if you observe a flat to mild gap up sort of an opening. Mild gap down मिलता है तो भी you can try to sell, but then stop loss के साथ ही sell करना, because there is a chance कि SL hunting हो सकती है if every retailer turns into shorts. So this is it for our video then. I tried to keep it bilingual today. Do let me know your feedback on this as well. What do you like more? If you like it to be in English like we did before, या फिर bilingual that is both in English and Hindi is doing good for you. तो yes, this is it for our video. And I see कि यार देखते काफी लोग हैं, but there are not a lot of likes coming onto this. So if at all it is helping you, please do appreciate by liking this particular video. And अगर कोई suggestions है तो you can comment. And if you are coming here for the first time, then you can subscribe to this channel for more such content. So ठीक है यार, this is it for this video then. Let's wrap this up. Have a good day, have a profitable day, and stay safe and stay healthy. Bye bye.